for today's video, I will be doing a full face get ready with me with Ellana Mineral Cosmetics skincare and makeup products. And I'm so excited to be testing out their products because I've seen a lot of good reviews about them. So yung ibang products nila na-try ko na previously and I tested them out, and also some of the products that I'm gonna be using today ko pa lang sila matatry. So I just wanted to share my thoughts on this video as well. So yeah, let's get started. Let's first start with skincare, and the first thing I usually do is cleanser, and they actually have a powder cleanser. This is called their Flower Power Powder Face Cleanser for hydrating and brightening, and this has vitamin C and rice powder. So as you can see, I haven't used it yet and I just wanted to show you their packaging. I really love how they package it like this, and you can just buy a separate container. So kapag naubusan ka, pwede ka na lang bumili ng refill and you can just use the same container. So I'm also gonna do that later. So makikita nyo na lang how I transfer the product in this container. I'm first gonna be using their Flower Power Toner Essence, and I really like that they have instructions at the back of their products. And it says here to pump 2 to 3 times on a cotton pad. So I have a cotton pad right here, and I'm just gonna pump like 2 to 3 pumps. Ayan, I put 3 pumps if you were wondering. And I'm just gonna clean my face with this. I usually use this at night, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you how it works. This product is made with vitamin C, vitamin B5, rose fruit, pomegranate, rose extracts, and sodium lactate. Personally, I'm not a fan of the rose scent, but I still do really love this kasi parang light lang yung rose scent. So if you're not a fan of roses like me, I think you're really gonna love this kasi nga parang slight rosy scent lang naman siya. So it's not too fragrant, which is good because you don't want too much fragrance on your products. I'm so amazed. I don't know if you can see that very well. I don't want to close it up too much, but it actually got some of my whiteheads, and ngayon ko lang na-notice yon. But it does really get off the dirt, yung excess dirt sa face mo after cleansing your face. So that's what I really love about this product. Now let's go to the moisturizer. This is actually my favorite so far. I've been using this every night, and it says also to use 2 to 3 pumps, and I usually just do 2. For the toner essence, I do 3. Again, this has rose fruit. It also has pomegranate, rose extracts, Abyssinian oil, vitamin C, and pentavitin. So it also has rose in it, and again, yung scent niya, it's not a strong rosy scent. So normally I don't go for rosy scents, but this one is tolerable for me, as in it doesn't bother me at all. And I just really love this product. It really absorbed very fast, and yeah, I am loving this product. I think this is one of my favorites out of their Flower Power line. So that is it for my skincare. Now let's go on with makeup. And actually, yung Flower Power line nila, they also have this multi-mist. By the way, itong Flower Power line nila, they actually have a set of this, and I think you can get it for 1,900, but they're having a sale, so you can get it for 1,500 na lang for all the 4 products. So you have the cleanser, the toner essence, moisturizer, and multi-mist. So I feel like that's a really good deal for 4 products already. Next product I'll be using is this one. This is called their DD plus CC cream, and it's daily defense and color correcting, and it's a makeup primer, and it also has SPF 30 PA+++. So this is like a sunscreen because it says here at the back it is best to use sunscreen daily. So you can reapply this every 3 to 4 hours. So it's like a sunscreen makeup primer. So I'm just gonna get like this much. Parang sing dami lang, no? What do you call this? Yung moisturizer. I'm gonna get 2 of those. So on both of my cheeks and on my chin and my forehead. Ooh. For this product, it's best to blend it properly because it does end up looking white on your face if you don't. Okay, so this is how it looks like on my face right now. It doesn't look much because it's just a makeup primer, and I really love that it has SPF in it and it doesn't feel heavy on my face, so that's what I like about it. But hopefully it makes my makeup last longer. So yeah, so far so good. Next product I'll be trying out is, I think, one of their most famous products, or I think it's one of their products that they first released, if I'm not mistaken. But this is called their Loose Mineral Foundation and Concealer. So it actually comes in this packaging, but as you can see, I opened it already and I transferred it in this container that they gave me. So this is their Ellana Mineral Cosmetics container, and you can just buy this separately and refill it by buying this one. And they also have this compact brush. It's really cute. It's rose gold. So ayan, it's a dense kabuki brush. And I think I'm gonna get some of the leftover here, and then kapag kulang, kuha tayo dito sa my container. Kasi sayang if I don't use this. I think that's one tip that I'm gonna give you. Huwag niyo sayangin yung nandito kasi pwede mo pa siyang gamitin. I think I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm just gonna get the powder. And let's see how it goes. I'm gonna start off with one side of my face, so let's see if there's gonna be a difference. I feel like I kind of put too much on this side already, so I need to work on the other side so I can transfer some of the excess here on this side. But can you see a difference? I feel like I can see a difference. I don't know if the shade I have, by the way, did I say what shade I had? I think I have the shade Radiant, and I don't know if this is the right color match for me, but so far it's not bad. And it did cover up the redness on my face, and also it's buildable. At first, I was kind of iffy kasi parang it didn't cover up much of my pimples, but now that I did like a second coat or a second spread of powder on my face, it actually did cover up the redness on my face. This is promising. No wonder it's like a raved about product. This is how my face looks like. I don't know if you can tell a difference, but I definitely can tell a difference. So it didn't cover up fully yung mga red spots ko, like some of my pimples, but I feel like most of it got covered up. Like yung mga big red pimples ko lang on my forehead, medyo nagpe-peek through pa rin, pero yung nasa cheek ko parang it got covered up very well. Like, ito medyo kita pa rin. Pero I feel like it's really buildable. I don't want to build it up too much kasi it might look cakey. But so far, so good. I feel like this would also be good for oily skin girls. And also, actually, ako usually dry skin ko. Pero hindi naman na-accentuate yung dry patches ko. And even my like smile lines. I don't know, maybe throughout the day it might get bad, but for now, it's actually really good. I'm so surprised. I'm really so surprised. Okay, so this is how my makeup looks like. I just added a bit more makeup to give color to my face. But now let's try their Flower Power Multi Mist. And this has rose fruit, aloe vera, rose extracts, and sodium lactate. This says you can use it as your makeup primer after you put your moisturizer on and before your makeup, kasi nga makeup primer, or you can also use it as a setting spray, so you can use it after your makeup. Also, it says you can spray it anytime when you need a skincare refresh. So right now, I just finished my makeup and I'll use it as my makeup setting spray. Let's see how it works. And nakasulat pala dito, use it in a T or X formation. So let's try that. Weird. Wait, what? I don't feel it. I don't feel it on my face. Weird. I don't know if sira yung spritz niya. Okay. Smells good. Smells like rose. Again, just a light scent of rose. But the mist, I don't know. Okay sana siya eh, pero I just feel like it's not evenly distributing on my face, if that makes sense. Like, on some parts, nalagyan naman siya, pero ewan ko, hindi ko siya masyadong na-feel sa face ko. That's weird. I feel like I need to test this out more, but for the other products, so far, okay siya. Okay, I guess that is it for this video. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. And by the way, like I said a while ago, Ellana Mineral Cosmetics is actually having their Shopee sale for 4/4. And you can get up to 78% off. And also, if you follow their Shopee account, you can actually get a 20% cashback voucher and free shipping. So, I'm gonna link everything down below, the products, their Shopee account. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below any other video suggestions. What brand do you want me to feature next? And subscribe to my channel. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!